Hello and welcome back. In this video we will learn about what is substitution method. So we will see what is substitution method. This method is used to solve algebraic expressions. Why it is used? This method is used to get solutions of algebraic expressions and polynomials. So in order to get better understanding, we are going to solve a problem of substitution method. So we have 3x minus y minus 4y which is equal to 10 and x plus 3y is equal to minus 1. We have these two equations. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So in what we do in substitution method, we take any equation let's suppose equation number 1 is taken. So in this equation number 1 we have 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. We will get either x or y. The value of either x or y will be transferred in this equation 2 to solve the x and y. So we will decide to eliminate 3x is equal to 10 plus 4y. We will put the value of x from this equation number 1 to 2. So this will become equation number 3. So this is the value of x. We will put in x value in equation 2. So equation 2 is x plus 3y is equal to minus 1. What is the value of x? 10 plus 4y divided by 3 plus 3y is equal to minus 1. This x value comes out from equation number 3. So what we will do now, we will take LCM. 10 plus 4y divided by 3, this 3 will be cancelled with 3 and answer will be 1. We have 1 here plus 3 into 3y which is equal to minus 1. This 3 will be multiplied here and become minus 3. We will open this equation. 10 plus 4y plus 9y is equal to minus 3. 4 plus 9, 13y is equal to minus 3. This 10 will become minus here, will become minus 13. 13y is equal to minus 13 and y is equal to minus 1. How minus 1? Minus 13 will be divided by positive 13 and y is equal to y. Now we will put this value of y in any of these two equations to get the value of x. We will put value of y in equation 1. You can put any of these two equations, you will get the same answer. So first equation is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. Here you can see 3x minus 4 into minus 1 is equal to 10. 3x plus 4 is equal to 10. 3x is equal to 10 minus 4, 6. 3x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 2. You can check by putting the value of y and x in any of these equations. If this equation is satisfied, our answers are okay. So this is the value of x, y. Solution set, we can write 2 minus 1. So this is the answer. Thanks and keep watching and following.